Hello and welcome to our quick new mover setup video. To find more out about this new mover program, you can just go to outreach.com. Along the top you'll notice there's a menu option. You can go to postcards and new mover outreach program. This will bring you to this window here where you can just simply type in your church's address, and as you're typing in you'll notice that there are some drop down options. What you want to do is just continue typing your address until your church address pulls up. Go ahead and click on that. That'll automatically load up a map for you, along with instructions on how to select the radius around your church. So you can just click select region, and that'll create a plus sign, and you just drag that out from your flag point to as far out as you want to go. From there, it'll give you additional instructions on how to continue to customize the map as needed. But as you can see, once you've selected a region, on the right side it shows you your estimated monthly cost. It'll show you your maximum cost, your minimum cost, as well as your 12 months history for new movers in your area. And again, those numbers are located to the right of the map. Once you've customized the map and got it set up to the way you need it, you can just continue on to next step, which is our cap. On this, if you do have a budget, you need to create a cap on here. You just type in what the cap is, and that'll limit the number of new movers that'll go out each month. On months where it's lower, it'll send out the smaller amount, and the months where it's higher, it'll stop at your cap. Once you've got your cap set up, you can just continue on to our third step, which is multi-reach. We automatically send out a postcard to people who just moved into your neighborhood. However, if you'd like us to, we can actually do the follow-up for you. If you select better, we will actually send out a second postcard about 3 weeks later, inviting your neighbors to come and visit your church again. Once you've selected whether you want to send out one postcard or two postcards, you can go to next step, and that'll go to our Jumpstart. Jumpstart is for basically by extending your first month's mailing, you can actually reach people that moved into your area in the last several months. As you notice, your price has been updated on the right side with the cap as well as multi-reach. Now Jumpstart will add a little bit to your first mailing only. It will not be continued through month to month. It's just your first mailing. So you can go back as far as 6 months, but for this example, we're just going to go back 3 months. You'll notice your pricing on the right side has been updated with the cap, the multi-reach, and you'll notice your first Jumpstart is that total plus your first monthly setup, and you'll see your history of monthly new movers there at the bottom as well. Once you've selected how far you want to go back on Jumpstart, go ahead and click on Next Step to go to our final step, which is our designs. We have several designs to pick from, so feel free to take your time and look through these and pick the one that fits your church best. Once you've selected the design, you can see the front and back of the design. And from there, you can decide whether you want to send this design for your first mailing, or if you want to do it for your second mailing, or if you want to do a different design for your first and second, or you can just select to use this design on both. It's completely customizable to what you guys want to do. From there, the next step just shows a review of everything we've set up. You'll see the total amount due today is at $79. That's a setup fee for getting this project started, for all the customization and getting everything set up. From there, you'll see your estimated monthly price does match the number on the right side as it's been updating through the steps. You'll notice we have a cap set up on here for you. We have multi-reach set up where we're going to be sending out a second postcard every month. And then Jumpstart is your first mailing will include the previous 3 months, and that total adds to your estimated monthly cost. Once you're happy with that and you've completed all the steps, you can just add to cart. If you need to go back, you can always click previous steps to make additional changes. But once you add it to the cart, you're ready to go. That's it. Super simple. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-991-6011, or you can chat with us at outreach.com.